power that money cannot buy you. The big house, the clothes, the girls, the bands, expensive party with important friends. Not money.
Hey guys, it's your baby girl Amy and welcome to my channel. So guys, this is like, let me bring out the camera so you can see me clearly. So guys, this is like, it should be like after 6 or thereabouts. So guys, I need to do this video earlier about watching a movie on rock. It's intentional mistake, yeah. Movie is so interesting. So I was watching it just took like that was why I came out to do this video, because this is dark, color is dark, and at the same time my ring light is not working. So I said to come and make this video. I will do this video outside. Yeah. So guys, today definitely I'm going to be talking about Complexion care soap. I just remembered I'm not talking about Complexion care soap. That's Irish Spring, Dove, and Ever soap. Those three soap, those lovely soap. I'm not talking about them. Yeah. So if you've not liked this video, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment. I want to know what you guys think about this video. Complexion care soap is that they are gentle to the skin. They lather easily, even when the water, you know, like I don't know what I went previously, like when you're in secondary school, definitely they taught you guys soft water, hard water, and everything. You know, there are some places that have hard water. But what I like about this Complexion care soap, that's like Ever, Dove, and Irish Spring, is that they lather well, whether the water is soft or hard. That's one thing I like about it. And the scent, and when you use it, you have even fairness. Yes, even tone of skin. It could be whether you're fair or you're dark. Yes, it just maintains the soap, brings out that, maintains the skin, brings out that glow. I love this soap so much, but I mostly use Irish Spring. Yeah, I still love Ever and Dove. Yeah, those soap, they give you that even tone and that glow. You know, having even tone skin is the secret to beauty. Definitely, everybody knows. When you're even skin, fair, dark chocolate, it makes that glow come out. Hey, I mean, it makes that glow come out or pop. Makes your skin smooth. Yeah, smooth skin. It also helps in anti-aging and anti-acne. Those that have acne, at least the soap can help with it. This soap, they're lovely soap. You should try it out. I know everybody's used to do soap, yeah, but everybody is used to the soap, but this is everywhere. You can find it everywhere. Supermarket, markets. Soap is everywhere, so it's easy to find. And everybody, even if you've not used it, I've not really come across any person that have not used it. But even if you've not used it, at least you must have seen it. It's there, it's everywhere, and it's affordable, guys. Very, very affordable. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Guys, please like this video, comment, subscribe to my channel, and comment. Sorry guys, comment. I want to know what you guys think about this video. Then go ahead, guys, watch all my videos. They are so helpful, so that your skin can be glowing, popping. Watch all my videos, guys. Thank you. Bye.